How many children do you have?
2.
What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out. I want to get out.
This is going to be my last time. Do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that'll be probated.
This guy is facing up to 20 years in prison for burglary. And the crazy part is how smug and cocky he looks in court. He's sitting there smiling, leaning back, acting like this whole thing is just a minor inconvenience. You'd think with that much time on the line, he'd show at least a little bit of humility, but nope. He's carrying himself like he's untouchable here. The wildest part is when Judge Boyd asked him about his kids here, and he couldn't even name their birthdays. Like a lot of you guys say it's black fatigue and whatnot, but I think this dude is just a cocky, arrogant criminal here. But yeah, this dude really believes he's about to walk away with probation here. I mean, if I was the judge watching this cocky attitude and hearing him stumble on something as basic as his kids' birthdays, I'd be leaning hard toward the 10 to 20 years. How much time do you think this dude deserves in prison? Let me know in the comments. But let's dive in and watch.
Understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense in count 1, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, is he able to move to the other end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're back on the record. State, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
At this state introduces State's Exhibit 1 and all of its attachments. No objections.
Mr. Farris, I'm showing you what's entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just that Mr. Ferris is very motivated to do well in this probation, and he asked that the court follows our agreement. The only other thing that I would ask, Judge, is if he would probate the fine. He is indigent.
All right. So, Mr. Farris, if you're released, where would you be living? Do you have a place to stay?
Yes, I do.
All right. So who would you be living with?
My wife.
I'm sorry?
With my wife.
All right. Are there any issues?
Not in our communications today, no, ma'am.
All right. Does your wife want you living with her?
Of course. She had 2 babies.
Well, I mean, just because a female may have someone's child, that doesn't necessarily mean that they want them living with them.
I would like to help her.
Well, I mean, again, people can help with children without living with someone. So here's the thing. If you end up seeing your wife and she doesn't want you staying with her, then you can't stay with her.
Okay.
All right. And are you all legally married? Did you go to the courthouse or did you have a ceremony?
When's the courthouse?
Okay.
Paid $150 for it.
All right. How many children do you have?
2. She just had them.
Ages?
1 and just had it. The other one, 2 boys.
Okay. What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably December. The other one she was at
But no. You're giving me a month, but what is the child's date of birth? If the child, if the child is expecting a birthday gift from you and they want it on their birthday, when would they get it?
See that February, February 3rd? Yeah, somebody on the 3rd.
All right, so you're saying February 3rd.
7 months apart.
So that's one. So what's the date of birth of the other child? You're gonna have to do better. You understand?
I'll try. I'll try.
All right. That's a tattoo you can get on your arm instead of what you have.
I was gonna get two tattoos
with their dates of birth.
Yes, my word.
This right here is one of those moments that really makes you shake your head. I mean, how do you just sit in front of a judge facing 20 years and not even know your kid's birthday? I mean, it's really not even about memory at that point. That really just tells the court where your priorities have been. And it's really clear this dude has not been thinking about his family. I mean, judges do see this a lot. And when they do see it, they just know that you are not getting the light side of the punishment. I mean, it's really not a hard question at all. I mean, maybe some of you guys in the comments could let me know. But literally knowing your kid's birthday is like 1 + 1. Like, you just know that like the back of your hand almost. And it really just is sad because being president for your kid doesn't require money or status. It's literally just the bare minimum of being a parent. So, and I don't know if it's just the Texas area or what, but I see this so much in Judge Boyd's courtroom. Like I said earlier, some people talk about black fatigue or all kinds of social issues. At the end of the day, this is all about personal accountability. Can't blame everything on society when you're out here forgetting your child's birthday. That's on you, buddy. But yeah, let's see where his entitlement gets him here, because right now he's acting like none of this even matters. So let's dive back in and watch.
All right, and what is that other tattoo about?
I don't know. They gave it to me.
Who is they?
Some friends of mine. I don't know. I don't know none of this. It's probably my I don't know.
I mean, when did you receive that tattoo?
A long time ago.
Okay. So why were you in this apartment?
I was helping my friend move. I was doing a good deed. I just moved out of his couch and that was it. And she said I took something. I didn't take nothing. All I did was help us move the couch. And that was it, man.
All right. Do you want a jury trial?
I just helped the guy out moving. I was the guy.
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out.
No, I mean, do you want to have a jury trial or do you want to go forward with this plea? Because if you want a jury trial, then we will give you a jury trial, quick, fast, in a hurry. It won't be today.
I know that. But with that, for this plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
I'm sorry, what?
That plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
Here's the thing. When people think about doing plea agreements and their goal is, I want to get out, there are consequences to all of these cases for entering into pleas. So with this one, it's a criminal conviction and you're not going to be allowed to have any weapons or ammunition because it's a criminal conviction.
Weapon I have.
Sometimes these pleas affect your ability or impact your ability to obtain an education and receive financial aid. Sometimes it impacts your ability to have certain forms of employment that requires licensing. It affects and impacts your ability to register to vote because you're a convicted felon. You won't be able to register to vote until you are no longer on paper. So if you want to go forward with the plea, the court will place you on probation. If you wish to have a jury trial, then the court will set this for a jury trial. So do you wish to go forward with this plea?
I want the plea. I want to get out. I mean, I'm just to be nutshell for now. He supposed to be my friend. I didn't even enter the house.
Well, let me just tell you what I read. Let me just tell you what I read in the police report. It mentions your good deed, but if you're doing a good deed, you don't accept payment for it. So this is what's in the police report. It says, victim 1 and victim 2 were in the process of moving out of their apartment. Victim 2 asked you, which is described as AP, which stands for arrested person, to help with the move, and he would pay him some money. Arrested person stole victim 2's bicycle and left the location. While victim 1 and victim 2 were out dropping off belongings, the arrested person returned and entered the apartment without victim 1 and victim 2's consent. Arrested person took victim's property out of the apartment and left the location. Arrested person returned for more property and was caught by victim 2. Victim 2 detained arrested person until police arrived. So I will place you on probation. It's completely up to you. But if you want to go to a jury trial, we will give you a jury trial as well. So this is going to be my last time asking you, do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that'll be probated. Take into consideration 2022 CR 8418. There's to be $500 restitution and no contact. All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ferris, you need to learn the birth dates of your children. You only have 2. Some people come here, they have 10. And you need to be a better father to them because they're expecting you to be in their life.
Father.
All right? Okay.
Yeah, sure. He's a good father. All right. Nothing says great parenting like stealing a bike from your friend and re-entering their house to cause a scene, right? And then on top of that, not even knowing your own kids' birthdays. But the funniest moment for me was when Judge Boyd hit him with that 10 years probated and he thought it meant 10 years in prison. Like you could just see the shock in his face. Like he got handed a life sentence almost. Like Judge Boyd was asking him like, "Oh, do you want probation? Oh, really? Let me know if you do." And then she goes and turns around is like, "Oh, here's your 10 years in prison." Like, I don't know. I just thought that was really funny. Like this dude thought he got bamboozled so hard. But yeah, pretty much in reality here, probation means he only gets locked up if he screws up again. So more likely than not, all he has to do is follow the rules for a handful of years, and the 10-year sentence never actually hits him. But based on his attitude, I honestly wouldn't bet too much on him staying clean the whole way through. But yeah, Judge Boyd did give him a fair shot here, so it's all on him now. But let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this ruling and what this guy acted like in court not knowing his kids' birthdays. Thanks for watching, guys.